Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or have solved the problem of took too much space on the application of Fitbit. You click on settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Fitbit and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.